Hi, I'm Mitesh Patel, Managing Director of Scancode Auto ID Technology Private Limited. I began my journey in 2016 with Printech, where we supplied plain and pre-printed self-adhesive labels and provide barcode solutions to our customers in various manufacturing industries. Working closely with customers on day-by-day basis, they shared me their problems and challenges, particularly they faced in material quality, service and flexibility. Over the time, I realized that I need to solve this problem. We needed the control on the entire process. That led me in 2021 to establish Scancode Auto ID Technology and set up our own manufacturing facility and started producing plain and pre-printed self-adhesive labels. These steps allow us to deliver better, more consistent quality and ensure on-time delivery for our customers. As customer expectations increase and our products branding become more critical, we felt the need of further expand our capabilities. In 2023, we made a significant investment in Gujarat's first 450mm 8-color LED Flexo press with advanced technology. This enabled us to efficiently serve industries such as FMCG, food and beverages, pharma, home and personal care, and agrochemicals, and with improved quality. Around the same time, the market began evolving rapidly. Many new startups entered in the Indian market with multiple SKUs and shorter launch timelines. To support this shift, we launched IMPRENTA, our premium printing and packaging brand, offering complete solution from design to printing and packaging for both Indian and global customers. Our tagline perfectly represents this journey from inspiration to imprint. With the launch of IMPRENTA, we also recognize the growing demand for digitally printed labels. To meet this requirement, in 2025, we invested in Domino N610i fully hybrid digital label press. Today, through IMPRENTA, we offer a comprehensive range of printing and packaging solutions, including labels, shrink sleeves, flexible packaging pouches, monocartoons, laminated rolls, and seamless tubes.
I am Jaydeep Patel, Sales Manager, Flexible Packaging Division at Scancode Auto ID. Our flexible packaging portfolio includes spout pouches, zipper pouches, stand-up pouches with zippers, 3-side seal and 6-side seal pouches, pillow pouches, as well as high-quality laminated rolls catering to diverse packaging requirements across industries.
At Scancode, our philosophy is very simple: understand customer needs and invest in right technology, grow alongside our customers, and most importantly, we never say no to our customers.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Patel, Manager Sales and Production at Scancode Auto ID.
I lead our sales operation, manage the customer relation and ensure the smooth production and support focus on delivery reliable solution and long-term value to our clients. We are among the few companies to invest in advanced digital label press technology, which is the key thread in the market. Within the addition of Domino label press at our facility, we have opened new sales opportunity and now able to deliver faster, more flexible and high quality label solution to our customers.
We choose Domino because it offers a hybrid digital printing solutions. Additionally, Domino provides reliable service support and has a strong global reputation, which gives us complete confidence in solution. With Domino, we never have to think twice. Thank you, Domino.